Is your Windows 11 PC running slower than you'd like? You are not alone. Over time, Windows accumulates unnecessary files, startup apps, and background services that slow down your system. Today, I'll guide you step by step, optimizing Windows 11 for maximum performance. By the end, your PC will run faster, smoother, and feel brand new again. So let's get started. Before making any changes, it's always good practice to create a system restore point. To do this, click the Start button and type Create a Restore Point in the search box. Open the result. Click on the Create button. Enter a descriptive name such as Before Optimization and click Create again. This gives you a safety net in case you ever need to revert your system back. First, let's speed up your PC's boot time by disabling unnecessary startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Click the Startup tab. Here, you will see apps that automatically start with Windows. Select any applications you don't need at startup and select Disable. This simple step significantly improves your system's startup speed. Another smart step is removing unnecessary apps you no longer use. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Then Installed Apps. Find the apps you don't need anymore. Click the three dots beside each one and select Uninstall. Removing these unused programs frees up valuable resources and declutters your PC. Keeping your Windows system and hardware drivers updated is essential for achieving the best performance, security, and stability. To begin, open Settings. Click on Windows Update. And then click on Check for Updates. If any Windows updates are available, install them right away. After checking for basic updates, scroll down and click on Advanced option. And then on Optimal Updates. Here, you will often find important drivers update for your system, like updates for Bluetooth, display drivers, or even critical system firmware. After selecting the available updates, click Download and install. Some updates, especially BIOS updates, may require a system restart. Keeping everything updated, not just Windows but also your hardware drivers, ensures that your PC runs smoother, more efficiently, and is better protected against vulnerabilities. Another quick performance boost is adjusting your system's power mode. Navigate to Settings. Click on Systems. Then Power and Battery. If you want maximum performance on your laptop when plugged in, you should switch to the best performance power mode. This settings allows your PC and other hardware to run at full potential, providing noticeable improvements in the speed and responsiveness. Visual effects in Windows 11 look nice, but these can slow down your PC, especially on older hardware. Press Windows plus R, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter to open System Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Click Settings under the Performance section. Choose Adjust for best performance. If the appearance becomes too minimal, you can manually re-enable the options you prefer, such as smooth edges of screen fonts. Next, let's disable some additional animations and transparency effects built into Windows 11. Open Settings. Navigate to Accessibility. Then click on Visual Effects. Here, toggle off both animation effects and transparency effects. Turning these off makes navigating menus and windows feel noticeably snappier. Windows runs a lot of background services to support different features, but not all of them are necessary for every user. Disabling the ones you don't use can free up memory and improve overall responsiveness. To get started, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the Service Manager window where you will see a long list of all the services running on your system. Now, carefully scroll through the list and look for services you can safely disable. For example, if you don't use the Remote Desktop feature, you can disable Remote Desktop services. Another good example is the Print Spooler service. This service manages print jobs. If you don't have a printer, you can disable Print Spooler. Similarly, if you don't use Bluetooth devices like wireless headphones, speakers, or keyboards, you can disable the Bluetooth services. If you don't connect to corporate networks, you can also disable workstations and offline files. These services are more useful in office environments but are unnecessary for a typical home user. This way, you can disable other Windows 11 services you don't need. But remember, you should never disable services if you are unsure about what they do. If you mistakenly disable something critical, it could cause system errors, so always be careful. Windows 11 has a useful tool called Storage Sense, which automatically cleans unnecessary files. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Storage. Enable Storage Sense and customize how often it cleans temporary files and empties your recycle bin. In addition to automatic cleaning, you can manually review storage cleanup recommendations. From here, review the suggestions and remove large, unused or temporary files to free up valuable disk space. If you are using a traditional mechanical hard drive for HDD, optimizing or defragmenting can significantly improve speed. Type defragment into the Start menu search box. Open defragment and optimize drives. Select your hard drive and click Optimize. This step is not necessary for SSD users, as SSD manage themselves automatically with trim. For advanced users comfortable editing the registry, I'll show a few optimal but effective registry tweaks. First, press Win+R, type regedit and open the registry editor. Always make sure to back up the registry by clicking File and then Export before making any changes. Now, carefully navigate this path. Here, set the Disable Paging Executive value to 1 to ensure essential system files stay loaded in RAM. Next, set Large System Cache to 1 to improve system cache management. These tweaks help keep your system responsive under heavy usage. Congratulations! You have successfully optimized your Windows 11 PC for maximum performance. From speeding up boot time and removing unnecessary apps to advanced system tweaks, your PC should now feel faster and smoother than ever.